Congratulations and well done getting into the inner circle of fat burn secrets. You've just made one of the best investments to kickstart or turbocharge your fat burn journey. You're definitely gonna love it. But your order's not quite complete yet though, so don't close this page yet, or you'll lose out on your one-time opportunity to speed up your results. So before you go, here's my one-time offer. And don't worry, this video presentation's a lot shorter than the previous one. What I'm about to show you can increase your likelihood of breaking your old self and transcending into the strongest you in half the time. It's an amazing offer that'll go well with your new product. To study all the secrets in the book, you must first read through the pages, and I know this process can be extremely tedious for many. That said, many didn't get the results they desired because they gave up halfway through the book, and I don't want you to become one of them. What if I can show you a way to shortcut the process? A shortcut that'll cut half the time you spend on reading and gain 30 to 40% more results. Yeah, you heard that right. What I'm gonna offer you is the video course of Fat Burn Secrets. Look, video is one of the most impactful ways to transform your body. You get to learn more from this video course than the book because you have a voice that speaks to you, guides you, and visual graphics that show you how to perform the exercises. How cool is that? Plus, did you know that videos are processed by the brain at least 60,000 times faster than text? You get to internalize what you learned faster from the videos than from a book. What you read, you know. What you see, hear, and feel, you internalize and practice subconsciously. And here's exactly where the magic happens. Think of the book as a magnificent yacht to get to your dream body, while this video course is a supersonic jet that gets you to your destination in no time at all. Meaning, you can get more profound results in less time, and I really want you to see the value in this. Just so you know, this offer is not made available to the public, and I intend to keep this opportunity limited only to you and others who are committed to improving themselves. Also, it's my way of saying thanks for choosing me, and I think you deserve to get this almost exclusively.